just gonna do a voiceover here because I wanted to talk a bit about the package that I got from Ana Luisa, and every time I get a package from them I get super excited because they're one of my favorite jewelry brands at the moment. And the first piece of jewelry that I got was this necklace, and it's called the Zoe necklace. It's like a tag necklace, which I've been wanting for a really long time, and the details on this necklace is super pretty. There is a tulip engraving and some detailing on the side, and this is probably going to be my everyday necklace just because of how it pretty much goes well with everything. And then the second product that I got are these earrings, and it's called the Elise, and they're just these gold hoops with cubic zirconia gem detailing, and these look super elegant and they aren't too flashy, so they're still okay to wear for every day. And here I just paired it with the Toda earrings, also from Ana Luisa, and I think they just look super cute together. And then the last piece that I got was the Leo Bold Short, and this is just a gold chain necklace, and I thought this was a really nice necklace to wear with sweaters or square neck shirts. And all the jewelry pieces that I got are 14 karat gold plated, and they also come with a 1-year warranty. And I love their jewelry pieces because they're super high quality and the prices range from $39 and up. And they have a really wide range of jewelry. Some of them are super minimalistic, which I love for everyday wear, and other pieces are really detailed and super elegant. And for those of you who don't know, Ana Luisa is a brand that is carbon neutral, so 100% of their carbon emissions related to the product's life cycle are offset. And right now they're currently running the biggest sale of the year. They're having 20% off everything. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click the link down in the description down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul.